My name's Tom, aka TGE on the internet. I am a YouTuber. I am in my late 30s and I am from London, UK. I have a collection of classic cars, supercars, and I also make content about watches and some menswear. So I have an audience basically of guys that like nice things. And I'm here today at Smile Hair Clinic to, quite obviously, sort out my hair. My hairline's moved a little bit and I want to get that fixed. I had a good friend come to Smile Hair Clinic and he basically got his whole head redone, and they did an incredible job. They made it very easy for him. They really looked after him, and he recommended the place to me. And I thought that sounds like something that I'm interested in, so I'm here.
So what's your expectation from us?
This has gone a little bit disappeared. Doesn't bother me that much, but I make videos and people comment on it and it's not where it was. So if you just bring it back slightly to where it was. Yeah, I think that's it.
I will not do anything here, okay? I just wanted to show you the frame, so I draw these two lines.
Okay.
But here will be fixed and it will be really easy.
And nothing here? Okay.
No, because it looks really natural and nice, okay?
Okay.
And you have the temples. It will be really easy and quick.
A good day in the office.
Yeah.
A nice shift.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I will just give you a nice hairline, okay?
Yeah.
Great, really nice. How was the night?
It was okay. This is my third country in 1 week, so done lots of flying with lots of work, lots of 4 a.m. waking up. I'm very tired, so it was easy.
After 2 months, there will be some hair like in the baby here. For 6 months, it will start to grow out. In the first year, they grow, but the texture is a little bit different than the natural.
Yeah.
In the second year, the texture gets better.
Okay.
It's much warmer.
So my operation was yesterday, and I've just been for my sort of day after operation checkup here. I've had my first wash and I have been told absolutely everything I need to know. I've got all the information in booklets as well. Everything's been taken care of. I literally haven't had a single question because it's already been answered. The team here have been super welcoming, super friendly. I've also had my lovely wife with me.
It looks great.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to see it when it grows through.
Yeah, so there we go. Thank you to everyone here at the Smile Hair Clinic. I'm really, really happy. Thanks so much. Follow the true transformation.